All right, folks, I got this package. Actually, last week I just haven't had time to film it. I've been traveling for work. And whenever I see something that says tactical or tactical, I get excited. First and foremost, anytime you get a package, if you're doing any unboxing or you're just throwing out your packages away, always Sharpie, draw over them, do lots of stuff, because bad guys can use like a USPS tracking number, your address, or use other ways, nefarious ways, to go ahead and basically find out who you are, where you live, etc. So be careful out there. So I'm going to open this real quick. And I know what this is. I've been waiting for it. Okay. So what do you think it is? It's going to be tactical at the very least. Ta-da! It's a Sharpie, but this is not your actual typical Sharpie. This is a tactical Sharpie. These are a perfect addition for your EDC gear. So this particular one, it's crafted from the iconic Sharpie marker, and it's compact, it's lightweight. EDC tool is versatile for, it's a companion for your daily activities, for travel, etc. So from what I understand, the ink, oh wow, that's cool. The ink has been removed from a standard marker body, replaced with a hardened G10 insert with a sharpened point. So the G10, this is really cool. The G10 insert, or G10 is similar to like carbon fiber, or what's commonly used in high-end custom knife handles. G10 is a high-pressure fiberglass laminate. You know, it's a type of composite material. It's created by stacking multiple layers of glass, cloth, soaked in epoxy resin, and compressing the resulting material under heat until the epoxy cures. And guess what? Before you even ask, yes, the G10 Tactical Sharpies will pass metal detectors with no issues, as it contains no metal. So these are perfect for all your non-permissive environments. If you want to learn more about permissive and non-permissive environments, I highly recommend Clint Emerson's Escape the Wolf book. But this would, I think you need to pick which pocket this is going to be on for quick reference, just because you try and get a real Sharpie and start writing, it's like it's not writing. You're like, okay. So this, going right through, it actually went through pretty quickly. So you can see this is a double, I don't know, bubble wrap thing. It went through on both sides already. So pretty cool. 3 times, goes right through. I'm not sure this would go through a skull. It might, but this is a quick little reference pen you keep in your pocket. You know, if you get a little pocket protector, like the Revenge of the Nerds, for those of you who are in my age range will understand. Has a cap, slides right in, and will help you travel. Excellent EDC companion, especially while traveling to non-permissive environments and countries that, well, with a lot of pickpockets and people that don't like us. So, hope this helps. Stay safe. Safe skills.